Next, I want to show how we can use the calculator to solve question 1. Now, when we enter the information into the calculator, we have to enter the standard deviation and not the variance. So S1 is the square root of 400, N1 is 7, S2 is the square root of 256, N2 is 16, and this is a right-tailed test. And we want to select the two-sample f-test. So press Stat, go over to Tests, and down to two-sample f-test. So we want to type in the information. When we type in the standard deviations, we can actually type the square root of 400 and the square root of 256, and it will automatically calculate it to be 20 and 16. So press Calculate, and f is 1.56, which is consistent with what we found on question 1. The p-value is 0.2255. And the picture looks like this. So the p-value is greater than alpha. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And this is consistent with number 1.